at the Thunderhill Overlook on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Getting ready to start our next section of the MST. Griffin, are you ready? We have Huck with us today. Huckleberry, are you ready? Okay, good. First cow on the MST. You're gonna have to help. Little road walk portion on the MST. On George Hayes Road, parallels the parkway to our left. Alright, so we have like, I don't know, a mile maybe back to our truck. Maybe half a mile. We're up here at the viaduct, which is mile number right there on the screen. Yeah. She dropped her phone in the water earlier.
Wait, that call keeps going.
See if I can climb it. That'd be fun. Let's climb right up. We're going into this neat little rhododendron tunnel thing. Let's go. Well, now what?
You walk right by.
Got to see the truck for the first time in hours. Hasn't been that many hours, but it's been a few hours. Ah, there it is. Boone's Trace. Local traditional places this location on this route used by Daniel Boone on his westward treks. Elevation here, 3,262 feet above sea level.